Welcome to Story Shows. I am your host, Emma's dad. I have a story for you. Father Bear Comes Home. It is written by Elsie Homeland Minarek and is part of the Adventures of Little Bear, pictures by Maurice Sendek. Father Bear Comes Home. Hello, Hen. Hello, Little Bear. Guess what? Said Little Bear. What? Father Bear is coming home today. Is he? Said Hen. Where was he? Fishing, said Little Bear. Out on the ocean, far out on the ocean. My, said Hen. Out on the ocean. Well. Yes, said Little Bear. And what if he saw a mermaid? A mermaid, said Hen. Yes, a little mermaid, said Little Bear, and maybe she could come home with him. Ooh, said Hen, a mermaid at your house. I want to see her. I am coming home with you. They walked along, and there was Duck. Hello, Duck, said Little Bear. Father Bear's coming home today. Guess where he was? Where? Asked Duck. Fishing, said Little Bear, far out on the ocean, out where the mermaids are, maybe. Yes, said Hen, and we are going to see one. What is a mermaid like? Asked Duck. A mermaid, said Little Bear. Why, a mermaid is very pretty. A mermaid's hair is blue and green, like the ocean blue and green. She is coming home with Father Bear, said Hen. Oh, said Duck. I want to see her too. I'm coming home with you. They walked along, and there was Cat. Hello, Cat, said Little Bear. Father Bear is coming home today. He was fishing on the ocean, far out on the ocean. Yes, said Hen, out where the mermaids are. And, said Duck, we are going to see one. Where are you going to see one? Asked Cat. One is coming home with Father Bear, said Hen. Yes, said Duck, and her hair is blue and green. And maybe her eyes are silver, said Little Bear. Silver like the moon. Silver eyes, said Cat. How pretty. I will have to see her. I am coming home with you. They walked along, and there was Little Bear's house, and there was Father Bear. He had come home. Little Bear ran to Father Bear and hugged him. Father Bear hugged Little Bear. Then Father Bear said hello to Hen and Duck and Cat. We came to see the mermaid, said Hen. Her hair is blue and green, said Duck. Her eyes are silver like the moon, said Cat. And she is very pretty, said Hen. How nice, said Father Bear. Where is she? You have her. You have her, said Hen and Duck and Cat. Oh, said Father Bear. He looked at Little Bear. No mermaid? Asked Little Bear. No little mermaid? No, said Father Bear. No little mermaid. Well, said Hen. My, said Duck. Really, said Cat. They all looked at Little Bear. But I said maybe, said Little Bear. I did say maybe. Come now, said Father Bear. See what I have for all of you. Seashells. You can hear the ocean in them. And maybe you can hear the mermaids too. Maybe. Hiccups. Little Bear was happy. Father Bear was home. He was in his chair reading. Cat, Duck, Hen, and Little Bear were playing with the seashells. They were trying to hear the ocean. "I hear it," said Cat. "So do I," said Duck. "I do too," said Hen. "I do too," said Little Bear. He said again. "You have the hiccups," said Cat. "Have some more water, Little Bear," said Mother Bear. So Little Bear had some water, but he did not stop hiccuping. "Hello, everyone." Owl was at the door. "Hello, Owl," said Mother Bear. "You are the very one for us. You are always so wise. Water will not stop Little Bear's hiccups. What can we do?" "Well now," said Owl, "water is very good, but he must hold his breath too." "Hic," said Little Bear. "How can I hold my breath too? Hic." "You can," said Owl. "Try." Little Bear did as Owl said. "See," said Little Bear, "no more hiccups." He was hiccuping again. "This always works," said Cat, and he gave Little Bear a slap on the back. "Oof," said Little Bear. That's not any good." "Someone is by the door," said Cat. "Someone is coming in." Little Bear laughed. "Look at that," he said. "It's only Duck and Hen." "Did we make the hiccups go away?" asked Duck. "No, you did not," said Little Bear. Father Bear roared. "Roar! Who is making all that noise?" He looked at Owl, Cat, Hen, and Duck. "How can I read with all that noise?" he asked, and he looked at Little Bear. "Noise," said Little Bear. "I was only hiccuping." "What was that?" said Father Bear. "Hiccuping," said Little Bear. "I was only hiccuping." Father Bear laughed. "Hiccuping," he said. "I can't hear any hiccups." "But I was hiccuping," said Little Bear. "All right," said Father Bear. "Hiccup for me." But Little Bear could not do it. "Come now," said Father Bear. 1, 2, 3, hiccup." No, Little Bear could not do it. Well, said Father Bear, "I guess he can't hiccup any more." "Why should he?" said Mother Bear. "Who wants hiccups anyway?" said Hen. "That's right," said Cat and Duck. "Who wants hiccups?" Owl said, "You can still stop them my way. Little Bear didn't really try." They all laughed, and Owl laughed too. "You just have to know how to do it," said Owl. "That's right," said Father Bear. "You just have to know how to do it." And that is the end of our story of Father Bear Comes Home with the bonus story of Hiccups, a 2-in-1. Thank you for spending some of your time here at Story Shows. I do appreciate you. Peace be, harmony. I am out.